Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You have the ability to add your own customized fields to the customers and jobs, vendors, employees, and item lists within QuickBooks. This feature allows you to create fields that you want to have appear for each record within a list. This lets you track information that is specific to your particular business. For example, you could add fields for color, size, and style to your item lists that would allow you to then create items with the same general description in your inventory and then differentiate between them by color, size, and style. Now, if you add custom fields to your sales forms or purchase orders, they will automatically be filled in with the values that are specified for the employee, customer, vendor, or item that you selected if you specified a value. Now, this doesn't necessarily imply that you have to use customized fields in your forms, however. You could simply add a custom field as a way to record information strictly for your own use, recording your opinion of a customer's credit rating, for example. However you use it, QuickBooks will remember the information that you entered in the customized fields when you import and export the data, and also when you memorize transactions. You can add up to 7 customized fields to each of the following lists: customers and jobs, vendors, and employees. You can only create up to 5 customized fields within the item list. Custom fields that you add to a list are available to each entry or record within the list. Create custom fields that can appear in the customers and jobs, vendors, and employees lists by opening any one of those 3 lists. Within those lists, then open either the New List Item or Edit List Item windows from within the selected list. Now, within the window that appears, click the Additional Info tab for that record, and then simply click the Define Fields button that appears at the right side of the tab within the Custom Fields section. This will open a dialog box where you can create your custom fields for all 3 lists. You can add a new custom field to a list by simply clicking into the first blank field in the Label column at the left side of the window and typing the label that you would like to apply to the new field. To the right of that, you then check the checkbox for each list, shown as a column of checkboxes, within which you would like this field to appear. Note that a field can be used by one or more than one lists. Now repeat these steps until you've created all of the necessary custom fields for your 3 lists shown in this window. Once you are finished, click the OK button to save your changes and return to the List Item window. You can then input custom field data for the new list entries, or edit existing list items to add the new data to the new custom fields. Custom fields are always shown on the Additional Info tab of both the New and the Edit windows that appear within the Customers and Jobs, Vendors, and Employees list. Now, adding custom fields to the item list is a bit different from adding custom fields to the other lists. While we haven't examined working with the item list in much detail yet, it is an important list within QuickBooks. You place any item that appears in a QuickBooks sales receipt or invoice into the item list. Now you can access the item list by selecting Lists from the menu bar and then choosing the Item List command. In the item list, you can add custom fields through either the New Item or the Edit Item windows. So you can select either the New Item or Edit Item commands from the Item button in the lower left corner of this list to access either window. And once there, add custom fields to this list by clicking the Custom Fields button that appears at the right side of the window. This will open a window where you can enter the values for any custom fields that you create for your item list. You can add custom fields by clicking the Define Fields button within this window to open another dialog box where you can add a new custom field by checking the first available blank Use checkbox, and then simply typing a label for the new custom field into the adjacent label text box. Repeat this process as needed until you've set up all of the desired fields. When you're finished, click the OK button to create the new fields. Now you can enter the custom field values for the currently selected item. You would then click the OK button within this window to return to the main item window when you're finished, and then simply click the OK button again to save the record with your changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.